Afternoon and welcome to episode 3 of me trying to play Monopoly Travel World Tour in real life. In episode 1, I flew from Dubai to Istanbul to cross over Bosphorus Bridge from Europe to Asia. And in episode 2, I went from Istanbul to Stonehenge in the UK, which is just behind me. And in this episode, I haven't got a clue where I'm going yet, but I'm heading to the car now. We're going to get the board out, we're going to roll the dice, and let's see where we're going today. This isn't ideal, it's just started raining. I need to get back to the car quick. And we're back just in time. Where shall I open this board up? I reckon it'll fit in the boot. Let's see if it fits here. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So goes there. So we're currently on Stonehenge. Let's do it there. Travel journal can go there. Chance to go there. And then the Eiffel Tower is on where we're currently at in Stonehenge. And 2 dices. The question is, where do we want here? Free parking's out the question because it's a double. So we've got Grand Canal 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can't go to jail either because that's a double. So it's any of these basically. Great Wall of China. Don't even know where that is. Venice, Budapest, is that? Greece. Let's have a look. Right, you ready? First one is a 1. Second one is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Acropolis, Greece. You are joking. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just to show you, Acropolis. Greece is right next to Turkey, isn't it? It's literally next door. I've come all the way from Istanbul in Turkey to the UK to go all the way back. Right, let's get this board away, get in the car and figure this out. Right, Athens in Greece. I really don't know what to do here, you know. Well, there's no flights from Gatwick, so we're definitely not driving back to Gatwick. There's some flights from Heathrow, but again, they're early. Heathrow 7:25, but I don't want to leave too late either. So we're definitely not going to Gatwick, so Heathrow or London Luton. Again, Luton's a bit far as well, I'm not going there. Oh my God, I think I've got a brainwave. Oh my God, if this works out, let me have a look. 4:15. Is there an early one? 10:40. That could work. Okay, so realistically, I've got 2 options here, right? I can do a 1 hour 40-minute drive to Heathrow, stay in a hotel in Heathrow, and then fly 7 o'clock to Athens in the morning. So 1, do I want to stay in a hotel in Heathrow? I would, but it's not ideal. And 7 o'clock's really early. I'm going to get up at 4 to get to the airport at 5. That's obviously fly at 7, so that's dead early, right? Or I can drive home to Manchester, which will take me 3 hours and a half. So it's 1 hour 50 extra. However, I can fly at 10:40, means I don't need to be at the airport until 8:40, so I can have a bit of a lie-in, and I've got my own bed. This is a no-brainer, isn't it? The thought of having my own bed and a bath in my own house tonight, I'm sold. We're going home. We're going to Manchester, and we're going to book that flight. We best book that flight now, actually, so it doesn't go. Right, flight booked to Athens, 10:40. Boom! Come on! Oh, I've got a 3 hour and a half drive home, which is not ideal, but the fact I'm sleeping in my own bed tonight is completely getting me through this. So let's get going. Let's get an early night, and let's get back to Manchester. Just put it in the sat-nav, getting home just before 9 o'clock, 3 hours and 12 minutes and 180 miles to go. You don't even realise how happy I am. Oh, just the night at home before we go again. Come on, let's get the show on the road. One hour down, just over 2 to go. This is more like it. Welcome to the UK. This is what the weather's normally like on a daily basis. It's not really ideal to be driving in this, to be fair. Just over 2 hours gone, 1 hour to go. This isn't ideal. I'm hardly moving at all. 11 miles an hour at the minute. Hopefully we start speeding up soon. 31 minutes from home without a stop. I am starting to get tired now, but I'm still alright to drive, so I think we'll just make it. I'm nearly home, come on! Oh my God, I am so happy to be in this bed right now. This is what it's normally like after a challenge, but the fact that it's during it is amazing. Athens, next stop. I'm gonna have a good night's sleep. I'm gonna have a shower, and I'm gonna have a shave, sort myself out, and I'll see you in the morning. Oh, I am so tired. I'm not ready to get out of bed yet, but I need to. Let's go. And we're off. There is one place I need to pop before I go to the airport. For those who've watched my videos for years know, over the last 3 years, I just kept putting more and more weight on. So in the last 12 months, I thought I'd make a change. I've actually lost just over 20 kilograms in the last 12 months, but obviously traveling and eating on the go doesn't help. So I'm gonna get a quick gym session in. Keep that momentum going, so I'm sure the diet's not gonna be great in Greece. Stanley!
Here he is, Monopoly Day 3.
How are you, mate? I know, flipping heck. Greece today, mate. This man is the main reason why I lost that weight. I hate the gym. Thanks very much for that, mate. Appreciate it.
Go smash
Cheers.
it.
I'll give you a shout when I'm back from this challenge.
See you later.
Have a good one, mate. See you later. Do you know what? I love Stan, but I absolutely hate the gym. But it's just got to be done. I'm 5 minutes out from Manchester Airport. I just need to find the Europe car drop off for the rental car, and then we can go to the terminal. The flight's at 10:40. It's now 8:25, so we've got just over 2 hours. Car rental, Enterprise National. Our Europe car, yeah. Hey, how are you, mate? You good? I picked this up from Heathrow.
Okay.
So I'm dropping it off here. Is that all right, yeah? Everything all right with the car?
Looks like it, buddy, yeah. Good enough for me. It's got 4 round wheels on it.
Sweet. Thanks very much, mate. Cheers, Mike. Thanks very much, mate. Welcome to Terminal 2, Manchester Airport. Where's the check-in for Greece? Greece, 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 Greece. Bingo. Hi, how are you? Cheers.
Okay.
No check-in bags.
You just go into Athens only, yeah?
Yeah, Athens only, yeah.
Okay.
Also, cheers, thanks very much. Have a good one. Let's get through security. Security done, and we are looking at gate A9. It took like 45 minutes to get through security, so busy at Manchester today, even though it looks dead in here. There we go, gate A9. Cheers, thanks very much. This is actually going to be the first time I've made a video in Greece. I've been to Greece once before, and it's actually where I met Harold Balder for the first time. Right, let's get on this plane. Hello. Oh, hi. Oh, thank you very much. Nice flight. Dude, you're having fun. Cheers, thanks very much.
Thank you, bye.
Have a good one. See you later.
Thank you, bye.
And we are in Athens, Greece. The weather's nice here. Just got through security. The time in Athens now is 5:10. Where's the exit? Let me get a seat here and figure out what we're doing. Right, Acropolis. The Acropolis is 1 hour and 19 minutes drive from here. The time now exactly is 5:54 p.m, so basically 6. The Acropolis closes here at 8 p.m, but I don't know if there's like a last entry at 7 or something, so I might not even get in, but I need to get a shift on. If I go and get a taxi now, head straight to wherever the Acropolis is, and yeah, see if we can get in. Right, let's go. I hope I can make this and not have a problem. Where are the taxis? Here we go, taxis. Oh, please don't tell me that's the line for the taxis. That's the line for the taxis. Oh my God. This line for the taxis is like a mile long. I've got 2 hours here to get to the Acropolis. There's got to be a quicker way than this. Oh, I don't even think you realise how long this line is. The line goes all the way down the bottom of the airport. I don't know if there's any dodgy taxis about. Obviously, most of the countries I travel to, when you come out the airport, there's always people going taxi, taxi, who are not like official taxis. But I've not seen one here, so I just don't see another option other than to just wait in this queue. Right, we're getting there, not long to go now. Let's just hope they take card, because I have got zero cash on me. Right, we're at the front of the queue. Hi mate, which taxi?
One more.
One taxi for me, yeah.
Over here.
This one. Do they take card?
Only cash.
Only cash?
Only cash.
Okay, wow, we have a problem, but we'll worry about that after. Right, taxi, how are you mate, you good? What's your name?
Adonis.
Simon, nice to meet you. Are you this taxi? I'm guessing so. No one in here? Perfect.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Adonis.
Where are we going?
We are going to the Acropolis.
Oh, very nice.
Do you think I will have enough time? It said it closes 8 p.m.
You must be there at 8 p.m.
8 p.m, yeah? So is there last entry or anything? Or can I just go straight up?
You want to go inside the Acropolis or?
Yeah, inside the Acropolis.
Yes, yes. You must
So whichever is the best place.
have a lot of traffic.
A lot of traffic.
Yeah, it's right, 53 minutes, but I don't think.
You think it's going to be more than this?
We will be there at 7 and 4, right? But
Okay,
I
perfect.
thought at 7 we will be there.
So you think I'll have enough time?
Yeah.
Let's see. Do you take card?
No.
Only cash. Can we stop at an ATM then? Is that okay?
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Gales. Is that how you say it in Greece? Gales, Wales? You know Wales?
No.
You don't know Wales?
I don't know.
It's a very famous country. Were you born in Athens?
Yeah, I'm born here.
And you like Athens?
Of course, I like a lot.
The weather's very good here, right?
But I grown up, now I have a family. I have 2 kids.
Yeah. Oh, nice. 2 kids. How are the people in Greece? If they like you, Adonis, they'll be great.
All the Greece, it is a beach. It is one beach, you know.
One big beach, yeah.
One big beach because it is near to the sea and a big party.
Nice. A big party.
A big party.
Oh, we'll be having fun tonight then. We're just getting through the streets of Athens now. How long we got to go, Adonis?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. And then can we stop in an ATM on the way, yeah? Amazing. How much is the taxi? I don't even know.
It is fixed price, it's 40 euros.
Fixed price 40 euros, amazing. Thank you so much, mate. The weather in Greece. Oh, I think I cancel my game and I stay here. I cancel my videos and I stay in Greece. What's thank you in Greek?
Ευχαριστώ.
Ευχαριστώ.
Yeah.
What's my name?
Με λένε Simon.
Με λένε Simon.
Με λένε, exact translation, it is, they call me
They call me.
Simon.
They call. I like this one. This is more authoritative. What's your name? They call me Simon. The traffic is so bad.
No. This
No,
is
it's not
this is
too
traffic.
bad.
This is happy traffic.
Are we looking good on time? Do you think I'll make it to the Acropolis?
I thought, it's right.
We tried.
7.
Fingers crossed. So what's the plan with the ATM? Is there one close by or just here? Perfect.
The center is closed, my friend.
It's closed?
Yeah.
Are we meant to go that way?
Yeah. You must go from there.
Oh, you're joking. Why have they closed it?
I go in a different way.
We're going is that going to cause a problem getting there on time or?
Yeah, of course.
So it's going to add more time on?
You see there the light.
Yeah.
If we turn in this light
Yeah.
at right, it is in 100 meters.
Ah, okay. So it'll add a little bit of time on.
I can't go close to Acropolis because the road that we want to go,
Ah, okay.
they are closed from the police.
I'm with it. So we can't get close to the Acropolis?
Yeah, if you go by foot, you see, straight, this road.
Yeah, so it'd be...
There is the gate, it have a gate.
That's the gate to the Acropolis?
Inside the trees, yeah.
So if I walk, do you think?
It is 10 minutes.
10 minutes walk?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Whatever you think's the best, mate. The police have literally shut every road off.
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Do you take dollars at all?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, how many dollars?
What dollar? American dollar?
American dollar, yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure that's okay, mate, giving you dollars?
Yeah, I go to a store who change dollar. We don't have problem.
Oh, amazing. That's the only cash that I've got on me is dollars.
$33, you see?
$43.
40 euro?
Yeah, 40 euros is $43.81. No problem, mate. There's $60 there.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Adonis, it's been an absolute pleasure, mate.
Thank you so much.
Milene Simon.
Simon Wilson. And if you call me, I don't answer. You remember the road?
Yeah. Just up there on the right,
and tall straight.
Amazing, I will do.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Adonis, honestly,
You are
it's been
very
a pleasure.
lovely. and true man. I love you so much.
Love you too, mate. See you later, mate. Have a good one. We are now on foot. I haven't got a clue where I'm going, but the time is 7:10. So I've got 50 minutes to get in there or I'm not going to be allowed to. Where am I going here? Is it up here? Let's give it a go up here. We are cooking on gas. I can see some walls. I think we're making headway here. This looks promising. Right, what's the plan here? Is this a ticket booth? Hi, how are you? How do I get to the Acropolis?
You need to go up on the hill to the
Up
right
this way?
again. Yes.
Is it far or?
Like 5-6 minutes walking.
And can I buy a ticket there?
Yes.
Is it still open?
Yes.
7:30? Oh wow, I've got 15 minutes. Thank you. Oh Jesus, 15 minutes. And these hills are steep. Oh my God, is it even up this way? Here we go, I think this is it here. Trying to run up there. I can't believe how we've made it. Got 8 minutes left. I have 0 tickets.
So you mean you don't have?
I don't have a ticket. Can I buy a ticket?
Yes.
Perfect, let's do it.
Go and buy your ticket.
Oh, so I've got to go and buy the ticket down here
from there.
and come back up. Okay, cool.
And you have to go and leave your bag.
Okay.
And this without the microphone.
Okay, no problem at all. And I've got time to get a ticket, do that and come back and I still have time, yeah?
Yes, hopefully.
Perfect, thank you. Oh, this is hard work, this. So I've got to go and buy a ticket and I've got to go and put my bag over there. Here we go. This is the tickets. Hi, how are you? Can I have 1 ticket, please?
Okay, do you have any kids with you?
No kids at all, just me.
For you.
Thank you.
20 euros.
20 euros.
8 o'clock we are closing. Okay?
Yeah, no problem at all. Where do I leave my bag? Is it close to here?
Back here, down.
Yeah.
After 1 minute you see the second yellow building.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Right, ticket done. 20 euros. Now I just need to find where to put my bag. Is this it? Baggage. Hi, how are you? Can I put my bag?
Come inside.
Come inside. It's like a house. Thank you.
7:50 you have to be here.
By 7:50 here.
Yes,
So
by 8. 8 o'clock you have to be here.
Okay,
it's
I'll be...
closing time.
Yeah, no problem. I will be here by 8.
Okay, leave the bag.
So I can just leave it here, yeah? So leave that. Great. I take the key. Perfect. Thank you so much. So 8 o'clock.
Yes.
8 o'clock. I'll be back. Thank you. If the sound's gone a bit dodgy, I've had to leave my mic in there. I am cutting this super fine. Not only do I have to get up there by 8, but I've got to get back down now and get my bag, or I'm not going to have my bag, which is a disaster because everything is in it. All good?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Very nice. Go on.
Thank you so much. All good? Perfect, thank you. I've got a bit of walking to go, but we're nearly there. Look at the view from up here, it's ridiculous. I think that's just the whole of Athens in the back. I tell you what, I definitely didn't need that gym session this morning. Last few steps now, nearly there. We did it. There she is. Acropolis in Athens. Probably look better without scaffolding, but that looks pretty impressive to be fair. I absolutely love it up here, it's amazing. This camera's definitely not going to do it justice, but like all around the city is just all around and you can just see everything. Yeah, you can see a bit more from here, look at that. That's amazing. This place is pretty special. Look at it from the side on. Probably looks better from the side to be fair, because you can see how actually big it is. I definitely stay up here a bit longer, but I've got 10 minutes now to get back down there to get my bag, or we will be able to roll the dice again to see where we're going next, and I'll have no clothes. On that note, the Acropolis, for all of 15 minutes I've been here, has been absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend it. Let's go and see if I can get my bag and get this board to roll the dice.